Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. Let's get started. Divi Laboratories Limited is a global leader in the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry, specializing in the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. With over 3 decades of experience, Divi has grown to become one of the largest API manufacturers in the world, boasting annual revenues of approximately $1.2 billion and exporting its products to over 100 countries. Company history. Founded in 1990, Divi Laboratories has established itself as a key player in the pharmaceutical sector. The company focuses on the manufacturing of generic APIs, nutraceutical ingredients, and custom synthesis of APIs and intermediates. These products are mainly supplied to global innovator companies and are exported to highly regulated markets, particularly the United States and Europe. Global presence and market reach. Divi has a strong international presence, exporting to more than 100 countries, with a primary focus on regulated markets such as the US and Europe. The company's ability to serve these markets speaks to its compliance with stringent regulatory standards and its commitment to quality. Manufacturing and innovation. Divi Laboratories operates 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India. With a strong emphasis on innovation and sustainability, Divi is committed to developing advanced techniques for efficient and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. This commitment to sustainable operations positions Divi as a forward-thinking player in the pharmaceutical sector. Employee strength. With a team of approximately 17,000 employees, Divi Laboratories is well equipped to meet the demands of a rapidly growing pharmaceutical market. The company has a significant workforce presence on LinkedIn, with over 2,700 individuals listing Divi as their current employer, showcasing its role as a major employer in the industry. Key information. Website, link to www.divisilabs.com. Industry, pharmaceutical manufacturing. Company size, 17,000 employees, as of 2024. Headquarters, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Founded, 1990. Specialties, active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, nutraceutical ingredients, custom synthesis of APIs and intermediates. Divi Laboratories Limited stands out as a global leader in the API market, driven by a focus on innovation, sustainability, and stringent adherence to regulatory standards. With its vast employee base, strong international presence, and commitment to sustainable manufacturing processes, Divi continues to be a key player in the global pharmaceutical landscape. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.